Let me give you a couple pointers when you're doing your emergency braking. Number one, don't grab the lever. My buddy Ben Wolf, owner and lead instructor at Lock and Lean, gave me an awesome tip. When you're going to grab your front brake lever, kind of make this motion with your hand, if you can see that. This makes it so you don't make that abrupt pull when you're applying the front brake. This kind of makes it gradual, and you do want to do it quickly, but that first initial grab, you want to get the front end loaded, and then you can start progressively braking more. Another tip, when you're coming to the stop, make sure you're downshifting, because it's all great and dandy if you make the stop, but if you're still in fifth gear, someone's coming flying behind you and you need to get out of the way, you're going to end up stalling out and not being able to get out of there.